Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at this 2018 Sea Ray 19-foot SPX. Okay, pause. This boat has a 4-step ladder. It also has a walk-through to the side, so you never have to step foot on the upholstery. Here the flooring is an infinity woven flooring. It comes in 3 strands, so it's easy to snap in and snap out. Here in the bow, this is our select pack. Comes with upgraded upholstery. Also underneath each seat is a storage area. And under the middle cushion here is non-slip flooring. So again, people can easily board from the front and never step foot on the upholstery. This Cocaptain chair here, it's a nice bench, or you can lift up this side piece and this cushion actually fits underneath. It's dedicated storage for that, which is nice. That way if you want to have your feet on the ground, you can. Here in the rear, this bench seat, if you flip up, has a fully insulated cooler. There is a drain at the bottom there. And then storage in the corner compartment. Lots of cup holders in this boat. Here at the helm, you have a nice comfortable helm seat. The flip-up bolster, so you can flip it up or down. A very nicely wrapped, upholstery wrapped helm with of course all your gauges. Comes with a Rockford Fosgate head unit. This boat also comes with cup holder lights as well as rope lighting along the, it's all blue lights, which is nice. In the engine compartment here, the boat comes with a 4.5 liter 200 horsepower Merc Cruiser engine. It's a great engine for this boat. The boat goes fast, it gets on plane fast, it's absolutely wonderful. And a nice storage area over here. And again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat today.